The police high command is denying reports that the person of interest in relation to the case of social media influencer Aneka Townsend has fled the island. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and when we return, we'll have the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police high command is denying reports that the person of interest in relation to the case to the discovery of the body of social media influencer Aneka Townsend has fled the island. This revelation falls on the heels after numerous media houses have been reporting that the man at the center of the investigation, Mr. Patterson, has fled the island. However, the police have so far denied these allegations and stated that he is still a person of interest and still believed to be in Jamaica. Rushane Patterson, the man named as a person of interest on Saturday after Townsend's body was discovered in Redding, Montego Bay on Friday, her body was recovered from the sea. On the weekend, sources told reporters that based on preliminary investigation, the deceased woman was last seen alive in the company of Patterson at a popular Hanover restaurant. Townsend, who is from Kingston, is said to have traveled to Montego Bay earlier in the week where she met Patterson. Her body was later retrieved from the sea by the Marine Police. Police sources had informed a number of media houses that the man had fled the island. However, the police high command is denying those claims. Previous reports carried by a number of media houses, it was reported that the person of interest named in the death investigation of popular social media influencer Aneka Townsend had fled the island. Now, in a developing story, the man at the center of a massive investigation by the police is said to have been fingered in a 2013 murder and rape of a female. Rushane Patterson, the man identified by the police high command as a person of interest in relation to the case to the taking out of social media influencer Aneka Townsend, was also under investigation in a separate case of rape, abduction and murder of a female in 2013. Patterson, who was given up until Saturday 5 p.m. to turn himself in over to the police, checks made early this morning reveal that he has not done so. And as the search intensifies to locate Patterson, information is emerging that he was under investigation in 2013. Reports are that a judge threw out the case after prosecutors concluded that they could not find the primary witness. Allegations are that on February 9, 2013, a woman and her partner were walking along the Cargill Avenue main road in St. Andrew when they were accosted by men in a motor car. The couple was held up at gunpoint. The male victim was placed in the trunk of the vehicle and was later fatally shot when he jumped from the moving vehicle in a bid to escape. The woman was taken to a location where she was raped and her throat slashed. She was left for dead, but survived and reported the matter to the Halfway Tree Police. Following an investigation, Patterson was held in Halfway Tree Square in 2014. He was later pointed out in an identification parade. The case was dismissed after the Crown was given time to locate the witness, but they failed to do so and the judge dismissed the case. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come in our current affairs program, Let's Talk. Thanks for watching.